Hi, I'm Lori McGovern, Membership Director here at Carolinas AGC. Here's what's going on at CAGC and in your industry this week. In legislative news, CAGC staff and dozens of members and industry affiliates will meet with and encourage lawmakers to provide more infrastructure funding at the North Carolina Legislative Day on Wednesday. Key leaders of the General Assembly are expected to attend the meeting and discuss legislative developments. Also on tap this week is consideration of energy exploration legislation, which could result in additional infrastructure funding. In South Carolina, the Highway Funding Bill to increase funding for dilapidated roads remains a priority and is expected to be taken up again this week. With only 2 weeks left in the session, it's imperative that senators debate the bill if it's expected to pass this session. Go online to cagc.org to read more about both states' reports on legislative activity and monitoring. Networking events coming up. On Friday, member Ron Pantuso of Penix General Contractors has invited prospective members to attend a luncheon. Ron will share just what CAGC is doing to help Penix be successful and how Carolinas AGC can help the success of their businesses. Many thanks to Ron for your leadership on this. Our larger events are also coming up quickly. Do you need to know more about public-private partnerships, what owners really want, or where will new jobs be? Sign up for the Divisions Conference and Summit July 30th through August 3rd. And remember that this year, the HR and Safety Conference will be held the same dates and location. CAGC Foundation, Stand Down, a nationwide focus on the prevention of deaths and injuries from falls, is happening the week of June 2nd through the 6th. Carolinas contractors should take action now to plan training and other activities focusing on these dangers during that week. The Department of Labor OSHA Division and Southeastern OSHA Training Institute can provide resources for program planning, and fall prevention courses are available on demand through CAGC Virtual University. Also, CAGC Foundation will host a one-day lead exam preparation course in construction presentation skills on June 4th. And finally, 2 reminders for this week. First, access to iBuild will no longer be available after May 30th. Please be sure to download any necessary information this week that you may still have in iBuild. Second, the Construction Industry Study Tour is right around the corner and offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to experience China with your peers. This exchange offers professional growth, networking, and the opportunity to learn more about overseas competitors already working here in the Carolinas. Sign up for the Construction Industry Study Tour today. We hope you have a great week.